Find or read reviews that people are talking about Epson PowerLite L260F 3LCD Projector. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. PowerLite L260F 1080p 3LCD lamp-free laser display with built-in wireless keeps students engaged wherever they are in the classroom with bright, large images. Best-in-class color brightness with 3-chip 3LCD technology, 4600 lumens of color and white brightness, incredible image quality, high-definition 1080p resolution at an exceptional value. Accepts 4K content, no lamps to replace ever, solid-state, 20,000 hours, virtually maintenance-free laser light source, built-in wireless networking with enterprise-level security. Additionally, you can connect with Miracast, which supports software-free, peer-to-peer wireless connectivity, connect and cast from up to 50 devices. 4. Free downloadable Epson iProjection software makes it easy to cast wirelessly from Chromebooks, iOS and Android devices, Mac computers, and PCs. With moderator feature, teachers never lose control of the displayed content, versatile display, widescreen aspect ratio up to 16:6 and large image size up to 310-inch diagonal. With split screen capability for side-by-side viewing, flexible installation, 1.6x optical zoom, horizontal and vertical keystone. Quick corner and more makes upgrading from an old projector seamless. Easily manage your fleet, configure, monitor and control up to 2,000 networked projectors at once with the free downloadable Epson projector management software. Create amazing effects and experiences. Built-in media player with Epson Projector Content Manager software includes templates, effects, color filters and customizable options. Playlist and playback functions allow for seamless content management for single or multiple PowerLite projectors. Easily project wall-sized images, built-in edge blending and split-screen features for easy, scalable projection. If you want to get full highlight features and /or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.